All right, let's talk about how you can sum an entire column or row within Excel. Now here in this example, we just have some random sales data. We have different years and the month that sales happened for our business or whatever it might be. So we want to find the total for this entire column for 2025 here, along with the following years here and there. But we also want to find the total for this row here. We want to know how our sales do in January for the last 4 years, as well as February and so on. So in order to sum this column or this row, there's kind of one of two methods. One, you can click on the area below the data that you want to add the sum of the column. So in this case for us, that'll be here in CC 14, right below all of the sales data. We can go up here to the home ribbon, and if we hit this little icon up in the corner and hit that, that's going to auto sum what Excel thinks we're looking to sum. If we click in the top right corner, we can drag to include different values, but in this case Excel got it right and we want to find the sum of all of these numbers. So we'll go ahead and hit enter and it will give us the sum there. And what we can do is click on that and drag that all the way across, and that will give us the sum for each of those individual columns. Now, if we can do the same thing with this row here, we can select this, hit this little sum button, and Excel will say, hey, I think you want the sum of this, and you can then adjust that however you'd like and hit enter. Now, another way you can do this is you can simply type equals sum, select this function, and then it's going to ask you for a number, and you can select the range that you're looking to add up or to sum. And then you can end that with a parenthesis and hit enter, and then you can drag this all the way down. Essentially, that is the same formula Excel is giving you. You're just typing it in manually. Now, we can also, let's say we want right here, we want the sum of all of this. What we can do is hit equals sum and select this entire range here and hit enter. And there you have it. That's how you can sum columns or rows within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.